Aluacero panels. Manufacture. Starting from coils of up to 25 tons, with our new technology and in a continuous process of manufacture, we have developed a state-of-the-art rolling mill that enables obtaining the Aluacero panel, a louvered panel of steel, aluminium or copper. We manufacture 5 different models of panels: solid, with small windows, with large windows, micro-perforated, and multi-perforated. Aluacero panels are categorized in 2 groups. The P59x35 group is manufactured in blocks of 11 and 5 slats, solid, with windows, micro-perforated or multi-perforated. The P45x21 group is manufactured in blocks of 13, 7 and 5 slats. Solid, with windows, are multi-perforated. By being manufactured in blocks of 21 mm thick, the P45x21 panels can be used by any aluminium, steel or PVC marking that is sold on the market. The panels in this group have joint flaps that enable equidistance between the slats. All the models of Aluacero panels adapt to the infinity of projects, from the lining of a skyscraper to a simple ventilation grid. Installation. In the conventional installation, the slats are soldered and fit-in slots are screwed in place. This job is very costly in terms of time and money. Also, the individual slats do not offer any security. Reinforcement straps have to be fixed so that the slats cannot be forced open. And meshes must be placed in order to prevent liquids or dangerous objects from seeping through the gaps. The installation of Aluacero panels on any type of facade is quick, comfortable, economical and aesthetically pleasing, offering security, thermal and acoustic insulation, energy savings and ventilation of the living and working spaces. All that is required for their installation are the panels and the battens to be attached to the main structure. With the Aluacero panels, we achieve separations of up to 3 meters between fixation points. They can overlap onto each other both horizontally as well as vertically. In the construction of buildings and industrial premises, the panels can form corners by themselves or either be finished with corner pieces. Applications. Cladding of facades. The cladding of facades is categorized into 3 types: hot, cold, or ventilated. Cold facades are used for decoration. Ventilated facades contain a chamber through which air circulates freely. Hot facades enable greater energy savings, preventing thermal and sound contrast, wind and water from affecting the main walls. The union joints of the Aluacero panels can be hidden using H-profiles, which enable facade compositions that favor the vertical lines and absorb their expansions. The panels can also be overlapped onto one another in order to form joints. In order to increase thermal resistance and the energy savings of the facades, it suffices to install a layer of insulation material between the main wall and the Aluacero panels, exceeding the regulatory requirements in terms of energy needs for any weather zone. The solid and ventilated panels can be combined on the same facade without noticing a difference between the two. Curved constructions. The Aluacero panels mold to the curved forms without any kind of manipulations or additional expenses. Doors can be opened with the same radius of the structure without noticing where they are placed. Industrial facilities. Aluacero panels are perfect for industrial facilities, machine rooms, warehouses of toxic products, gas or diesel that require ventilation where the interior is out of sight and completely safe. Solid panels for decoration. The solid panels are a great decorative solution for interiors as well as exteriors. They are used as a background for signs at commercial or industrial facilities. They offer elegance and distinction that blends with display windows and any type of material. Sunshades. The multi-perforated Aluacero panels contribute to creating a comfortable interior climate, reducing energy consumption and the use of air conditioning. They offer complete security against theft, making it possible to ventilate your home and leave the house with total peace of mind. They also function as a high-quality decorative element of the architecture in all of the projects in which they are used. The rotating, motorized or manual sunshades are designed for facades that receive a lot of sunlight. The slats can be solid, with windows, micro-perforated or multi-perforated. And they can be installed either vertically or horizontally. Sunshades with guide rails. The Aluacero sunshades can move along guide rails in order to keep the windows free of obstacles. The runner panels enable the facade of a building to close completely or by sections. With the doors closed, you can continue to see the street through the ventilation holes, while avoiding the direct sunlight and receiving natural ventilation. Aluacero sunshades are the only ones on the market that do not need to be opened in order to give light, ventilate or prevent direct sunlight from entering. Doors. The Aluacero panels enable the manufacture of all types of doors, both residential as well as industrial, with complete security. Garage doors. Garage doors manufactured with Aluacero panels offer natural ventilation, without the risk of liquids or other dangerous objects being able to creep in through its gaps. Window shutters for homes or offices. Window shutters manufactured with Aluacero panels offer a very high level of security. They are wind and impact resistant. Acoustic screens. Anyone can manufacture certified acoustic screens by simply placing felted fibers or polyurethane foam on the inside. The air tightness of the screens is ensured due to the micro-perforations hidden under the folds of the Aluacero panels. Ventilation grids. The installation of grids is quick and easy. The best ventilation grids on the market, both for overlapping as well as for building in the walls, are made simply with a panel and a frame. They can also be embedded into the masonry without any type of frame. We offer a range of Aluacero grids in standard sizes with a variety of models and finishes. For larger orders, we also make them in special sizes. Cutting machine. In order to make mounting easier, we serve our customers by providing machines to comfortably cut the Aluacero panels in all of the positions, with straight edges at a 45-degree angle or at any other degree. Certifications. Aluacero panels are backed by certifications of quality and certifications of water tightness, noise reduction, heat resistance, wind resistance, and resistance to impact.